State, estate, and inheritance taxes in flux. Due to the budget crisis in so many states, changes may be in the offing for estate inheritance taxes at the state level. Most likely they will be going up. Most of the states are still in pretty poor shape, and if the economy doesn't improve, you might see more action by state legislatures seeking other sources of revenue, says James Walschlager, an analyst with the tax publisher CCH. Recently, Forbes released its perennial and cheery bit of advice regarding how to avoid state death and inheritance taxes, Where Not to Die, in 2012. When we think of estate taxes and what to do about them, most of us think on the federal level. But states have estate taxes of their own, and they can be significant for purposes of New York estate planning and New York asset protection. 13 states in the District of Columbia impose estate taxes. Of the states that do, Ohio has the lowest rate at 7%, while Minnesota has the highest at 41%. The average rate is 16%. Most states with estate taxes have an exemption of around $1 to $2 million, far under the federal exemption of $5 million. In addition to those 13 states, 4 others impose inheritance taxes, which are assessed against the recipients of the estate rather than the estate itself. The 2 states, Maryland and New Jersey, have both. But as with most taxation matters in this election year, many of the current state tax codes are in flux. As the state faces fiscal crisis, many of them are looking at lowering the exemption amounts, raising the rates, or both. The Forbes article looks at the situation state by state with an interactive map to help you plot the changes. As James Walschlager puts it, most of the states are still in pretty poor shape, and if the economy doesn't improve, you might see more action by state legislatures seeking other sources of revenue. I'm David Parker with the Law Office of David Parker. I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney.